Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change Fahrenheit to Celsius thermometer. First, you need to know the simple mathematical formula that connects these two temperature scales. This process is straightforward and can be applied to any Fahrenheit reading you encounter. We'll walk through each step, ensuring you can confidently convert temperatures for weather, cooking, or scientific purposes. Get ready to master this essential skill. The core of converting Fahrenheit to Celsius lies in one simple formula. You take the Fahrenheit temperature, subtract 32 from it, and then multiply that result by 5/9. Remember to perform the subtraction first, as it's crucial for an accurate conversion. This formula ensures you correctly adjust for the different starting points and scale sizes of the two temperature systems. Let's try an example. Imagine you have a temperature of 68 degrees Fahrenheit. First, subtract 32 from 68, which gives you 36. Next, multiply 36 by 5/9. This calculation results in 20, so 68 degrees Fahrenheit is equivalent to 20 degrees Celsius. This step-by-step approach makes converting any Fahrenheit temperature easy and accurate. For quick reference, remember that 32 degrees Fahrenheit is exactly 0 degrees Celsius, the freezing point of water. While online tools are handy, understanding the manual conversion empowers you. Practice with different temperatures to build your confidence. And hey, if you're looking to freshen up your ride, check out the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals. It's a small touch that makes a big difference.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.